Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I want to talk about miniature handbags and handles or any decorative pieces that I can put on them. But before I get into that and I show you the handbags that I've already been working on, these actually I bought these at Walmart, these two recently, and I'm going to be looking at these specifically because they have, I don't know if you see here, they have silver little buttons, and of course, you know, they're very nicely decorated. I have another one here with a tassel, okay, and silver over here, and you know, some of them have short and long handles. So I'm going to go by that to give me ideas for the miniature bags, which are these. I started working on them. Here, this is a cut wallet. It was worn, I didn't need it, and I cut it out. So out of that, I started working on the miniature bags like this one. See if you can see, this is part of that wallet, and this one. Okay, I'm gonna bring it up to the wall here so you can see it. This one already has a handle. And the black ones, these are also from the interior of that wallet. I'm going to show you the wallet again. You see these insides? You can cut all this out of any worn wallet that you have, and you can make different, you know, types of handbags. Okay, so I'm working on these, and oh, this is a paper clamp right here. And I made it a bag. I just put some felt here and just tucked the rest of the felt in there. Okay, so one of my next videos is going to be on making handles and decorative pieces for these miniature bags. Okay, thank you for watching.